Welcome to our channel. Building a custom mechanical keyboard allows you to create a personalized typing experience tailored to your preferences. Step 1. Choose your keyboard layout, such as full-size, 10 keyless, or compact 60% layout based on your desk space and typing needs. Step 2. Select a printed circuit board that supports your chosen layout and features, like hot swappable switches or programmable firmware. Step 3. Pick your mechanical switches based on the typing feel you prefer, whether linear, tactile, or clicky, and consider factors like actuation force and sound level. Step 4. Choose keycaps that match your aesthetic preferences and ensure they're compatible with your switch type. Step 5. Select a keyboard case made from materials like aluminum, plastic, or wood that fits your PCB and provides the desired weight and sound profile. Step 6. Gather necessary tools including a soldering iron if your PCB requires soldering, a keycap puller, and a switch opener. Step 7. Install stabilizers on the PCB for larger keys like the spacebar and Enter key, ensuring they're properly lubricated for smooth operation. Step 8. Mount the switches into the PCB, either by soldering them or inserting them if using a hot swap board. Step 9. Assemble the case by securing the PCB inside and adding any foam or dampening material for improved sound. Step 10. Install your keycaps and program your keyboard layout using software like VIA or QMK. Enjoy your custom creation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.